Good morning everyone and welcome to Saturday Spotlight number 14. This morning we're joined by Matt from Frankische and we're going to discuss all things Frankische and MLCP. Welcome to Matt. So first of all, Matt, question is, who are Frankische?
So Frankische are a huge household name in Europe, not so well known in the UK, but they're a fourth generation, 116-year-old family-owned company, turnover approximately 600 million euros per year, focusing on plastics, building plastics. They have four divisions: building technology, which is the division I'm part of, and we make MLCP and ventilation systems. And a quick fact: each day Frankische produce 2.1 million meters of pipe.
Wow, okay, that's impressive. So that's a quick introduction into who Frankische are. The next question is, what is MLCP and why as well, if we can go into a bit more detail about that.
Of course. Okay, so MLCP stands for multi-layer composite pipe. And essentially, like any composite material, we're combining two products into one to get the benefits of both. So it's multi-layered, made of plastic and aluminium, and by combining the two materials, metal and plastic, we get the benefits of metal pipes, i.e. high pressure, high temperature operation, very small linear thermal expansion, 100% oxygen tightness, but also we get the benefits of plastic, and that being corrosion resistant internally and externally. It's easily bendable, available on coils, great price point, and you can install systems in fewer fittings. So just to give you some real world examples, because it's got a metal barrier, this pipe can run at much higher temperatures and pressures than plastic. So the Frankische system can run at 95 degrees Celsius at a pressure of 10 bar constantly, 50 years.
Wow, impressive.
So with the increased price of copper and other metals and the prevalence of site thefts, MLCP is becoming more popular. It's the #1 piping material used in Europe by far, more so than copper, more so than plastic, and it's starting to gain a real foothold in the UK market.
Yeah, definitely. It's certainly something that that we're seeing the inquiries come through for, and yeah, fantastic partnership with Frankische, and yeah, we can certainly see it growing. So that's fantastic. And last question is so what are the advantages of Frankische in the market?
Okay, so we've got a brilliant market-leading product on the MLCP. The #1 feature we always get a comment on is the flow rates for our fittings. If you can see our fittings here, nice big inner bore, easily put our Frankische flow rate test pen through it, just using a generic competitor. You can see the difference, it's much better.
Yeah.
We've got clear inspection windows for sighting the pipe down, so you can see when you put the pipe in, clearly visible. This makes it much easier to see the pipes being clearly put through. We've also got a leak before press function, so we have recessed O-rings. That helps protect the O-rings during the pipe insertion, so it's impossible to damage the O-rings, so you can't split that O-ring, but it will leak if you've forgotten to press the fitting. Okay. And that's from 1 bar to 6.5 bar. We can also crimp our fittings with 5 different jaw contours: F contour, which is the Frankische own, TH, U, H and VP. So if you or your customers are already installing a competitor system, the chances are you can fit the Frankische system without needing to retool. Like I said, the pipe, the fittings, they can run at 95 degrees constant at 10 bar constant, 50 years, all backed by a 10-year insurance-backed guarantee against any consequential damage, up to 5 million euros per claim.
Fantastic, that's great. Quick run through of Frankische MLCP. Exclusively distributed by us at eTuplin. We've got a large stocking, and as I said, it's really taken the market by storm. So yeah, any more questions, any queries? I know Matt and the team are available and on hand, but also we're here, so give us a ring, 0161 776 0077, or email us sales@etuplin.co.uk. Until next week.